Okay, so I'm back in my garden, and Mark and I kind of repaired the set of my fencing because it was a total disaster, and the girl next to me didn't mind that I tore out what existed and redid it. So not much really going on. I'm just coming out here every morning and turning the dirt. I need the exercise, so I really don't care. As a matter of fact, I almost enjoy doing this. As long as I only do a little bit every day, it isn't harmful at all. So once I've got the front section turned, and I've got some of it done, as you can see, my it's starting to come up here. Lots of things are just starting to come up, which is nice. And here I've created a little bit of a pathway, as well as one here. And here I have my lavender has survived. And I cleaned this up, so it's starting to grow back again, which is awesome. Now, I cut this back in the fall, and it comes up again from the bottom. So I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lavender plants here. And they create a little bit of a walkway that'll be lovely when it's done. On the other side, then I have garlic just beside it. And on the other side, I planted sage. Now, I don't see the beginnings of life in the sage plant yet, but I have no doubt that it will also come back. Unfortunately, I don't seem to have as many sage plants. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't plant that many here. I don't remember. But I have 1, 2, and the third one is here. And I thought I had more, but you never know. Maybe the rabbits got to it. Okay. I believe this is my oregano. Yes, it is. Coming back beautifully. Now, this is the Greek oregano. It is not the Italian oregano that I seed. It seeds itself every year. This is a perennial plant that keeps coming up. And my tomato field needs a lot of cleanup. Unfortunately, I lost my Falco pruners. I have no idea where they went to. I've looked high and low for them, and I really don't want to buy a cheap pair, so I'm going to have to wait till I can get another good pair of Falco pruners to clean this up. But there's time yet. And it does appear as though my raspberry is coming back. I've noticed here and here and here I do have some raspberry. Now, this whole area needs to be cleaned up. And this stalk seems to have a shoot grown out of it there. So most of the raspberry will come back. And I have rhubarb that I have planted right there and there. And I think there's another one a little further out. So, yes, this area will be cleaned up after the front is done.